In this video, we will be discussing the 30-second rule. It is a very simple rule that we need to follow at all times. The rule says that no speaker turn should last for more than 30 seconds. In case a speaker talks for a long time without making a break that's longer than 0.5 seconds, we need to end the speaker turn at the 30-second mark and then start a new speaker turn immediately after that. For the purposes of this video, we will assume that this speaker talks without making any pause, and we'll see that the speaker turn starts at around the third second and lasts until around the 33rd second, slightly before that. To be able to annotate the speech properly, we should start the new segment immediately after this segment is ended. So this speaker turn will be attributed to speaker 1 and we'll adjust speaker turn for as long as it's needed and type the transcription. We should always be careful not to cut off any words. In case a word is said right at the 30-second mark, the best practice is to find the last full word said before the 30-second mark and end the segment there. The segment can be a second or two shorter than 30 seconds, and as you can see here, this segment lasts for about 29.5 seconds. But the segment should never be longer than 30 seconds and not even for a single millisecond. Please remember that this rule applies only to speaker turns and not to annotations. Noise, music, DTMF, and other annotations can last for longer than 30 seconds as long as the sound that's being annotated is present.